Hi Virgo, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and let's do another love read on you. Let's see what you're going through, what your partner's going through, and what action we can expect now in this connection. And these are general collective readings, Virgo, will not resonate with all of you. Take what works for you, leave the rest. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Virgo and send them the messages they need to hear the most right now. Thank you. So Virgo, let's start your reading. Welcome back all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. Thank you for supporting the channel. And yes, Virgo, if you're new here, we welcome you also to join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. So Virgo, as always, I'm setting down two sets of cards here, Virgo. One side is for you, one side is for your person. And in the center, I'll have your action cards and your dialogue cards. And if you're looking for a personal reading, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. Okay, bottom of my spread, I have the Six of Wands. That means a lack of victory in this connection, or at least feeling that way. So maybe somebody is feeling that there's nothing to be accomplished anymore, or maybe just feeling not respected or not this is a feeling of loss, I'll be honest. So let's see where we're going from here. Let me take a look at the cards. The cards I have on the table right now for you, Virgo, for person A. For me, this is person A, this is person B. If this is your reading, you'll be able to figure out which side you're on, right? So the King of Pentacles and the Five of Pentacles. So somebody here is feeling rather ungrounded. The feeling their whole world has shaken up and feeling totally left out, abandoned and neglected, and feeling things are, more than over. Where person B is concerned, they don't want to invest in this connection anymore. But there is a Three of Cups here as well. So maybe they want to reunite with either their friends and family, or there's an element of not wanting to invest in something, yet wanting something else in their life, some happiness that they want to go towards. All right, so let's start with some dialogue message cards here, Virgo. Let's see if you guys could say something to each other, what that would be. Virgo and their person. If they could say something to each other. They could say something to each other. Person A is feeling a bit ungrounded, but maybe they are wanting to come out of the cold now with person B. So let's see. Let's take a few more from here. The True Confession cards. Virgo and their person. Virgo and their person. All right, good to go, Virgo. Let's begin our reading. So the first card I have here for you says, you may not be perfect, but you're perfect for me. You check all my boxes. How can that be possible? I had put you on a pedestal and made myself small. This lifetime didn't work out. Hopefully, I can do better next lifetime. I have commitment issues. Here's the ungrounded energy where maybe they couldn't commit. I've never experienced a love and a connection like this before. Please don't give up on me. I keep hearing songs and it always reminds me of you and I. Sorry for what I've done to you. Karma is kicking my ass now. All right, Virgo, if this is resonating with your story, let's start clarifying these cards. But before that, I am going to take An angel blessing card. Let's see how my angels can help the situation with the blessing, guidance, advice. You found it. I don't know what you found, Virgo. You found, or either you were looking for some answers, maybe you found them. I don't know, something is now at a culmination point where you found the answers, I think. I think that's what it is. Let's put this card here, get more clarification when we do the cards. So I'm going to start with the energy of person A. Now Virgo, this could be you, this side could be you. I have no clue. So for me, this is person A's energy, which I'm going to start reading now. So person A is the King of Pentacles in reverse and the Five of Pentacles in reverse. Why is that, Spirit? Somebody is not happy at all about something. Some delay going on, some plans which are not going according to plan, and somebody is really not happy about that here, Virgo, for person A. Five of Pentacles in reverse. They do want to be the King of Pentacles upright. They want to show up maybe for their partner, maybe come out of the cold with them, maybe not be in this very depressing state that they find themselves in, of not being happy and having the plans not work out in the time that they wanted them to. Somebody does want to show up as this and come out of the cold, but right now not feeling totally in their power, not feeling happy at all. So what happened in the recent past, Spirit, for person A to be feeling like this? 10 of Pentacles in reverse and the 6 of Swords in reverse. Why is that, Spirit? Was there a problem in commitment? Because this person did say, I have a problem with commitment. And the 10 of Pentacles in reverse is a long-term partnership or a long-term commitment which is not working out. One more, Spirit, for 10 of Pentacles. There are secrets here. Maybe somebody is very emotional. Maybe they are healing, they are wishing, they are hoping for something, but it's still not, it hasn't really worked out. Maybe they were pulled in two different directions here. Maybe they had two options, not being able to take a stance either way, feeling at crossroads, and basically having to keep secrets about their true desire, their true wish. Very well knowing that, their stability of their life was in jeopardy. Maybe they did send a message or receive a message which kind of, sent something. 6 of Swords, Spirit, in reverse. Yes, there could have been a fight about not committing or not ending a commitment or something like that. Somebody felt the other person was playing mind games with them, trying to manipulate them or wanting it to be their way. Something, whatever happened here kind of, sent us in moving in the wrong direction here. Four of Wands, how does person A now feel about this connection, or person B? Four of Wands in reverse. They feel their person is no longer waiting for that offer of stability anymore. Excuse me. No longer waiting for that offer of commitment anymore, and is probably walking away now. Or disrupting a stable foundation. Four of Wands in reverse, Spirit. Yes, they feel their partner is not emotionally happy with this connection. They feel a lot of toxicity has come into this connection now, and maybe they're moving off towards maybe somebody else. After putting a halt to this stability, I don't know. What's this Knight of Wands, Spirit? What's this Knight of Wands? Yes, there could be competition. That's what person A feels. Maybe there is competition, and that's the reason their partner is no longer interested in having a happily ever after with them, and is maybe attracted to somebody else. And that's the reason of the conflict. For, say, 8 of Cups, Spirit. 8 of Cups. 8 of Cups. Yes, they also feel their partner is now walking away, leaving the situation, is putting boundaries between the two of you, fighting with them, or just kind of being defensive and wanting to move on. Anything else, Spirit, as to how person A sees person B now? They see person person A sees person B as very strong now, or taking back their power, or holding back, and very sure of the decision that they are making, or that's how they feel at least. Maybe person B has said, I want to walk away. I'm not happy here. So what action person A will take, we are going to open later. Let's go on to person B's side. Person B feels in the Seven of Pentacles in reverse energy, which means not happy with the way this relationship has grown. There's been no growth, and they feel rather disappointed in this connection now. They have a lot of regret and sorrow, maybe for the time wasted, or the emotions, or all the effort that they've put into this past connection, and seeing that everything just spilled to the ground. There's nothing really grew here. This is like a farmer whose crop hasn't grown. So Three of Cups, Spirit. Three of Cups. Three of Cups. Three of Cups. Person B feels after this tower moment, whatever tower moment that is being created or has been created, I think person B is now very focused on maybe reuniting with the happiness in their life. They want to now concentrate on themselves. They want to concentrate on their money. Maybe go towards a new love here. Maybe reunite with somebody who they consider to be their perfect partner, to feel stable. Or maybe that's, I don't know. What's this tower, Spirit? What's this tower for person A? Yes, they're looking for a balanced relationship. The person A is looking for a balanced relationship. Now, I think they are suddenly or drastically, ending something. They want to end something to begin something new, where they will have a balanced relationship, where they will have an equal partnership, where they will feel stable and have happiness in their life. So that's going to be the tower moment, where even though they are sad about doing it, I think person B has made up their mind that this is not worth investing in anymore, and I'd rather move on to something new now. What happened in the recent past, Spirit, for person B to have made this decision? Four of Swords in reverse. I think there was a lot of ill health or depression or sadness that person B always felt. They always felt that their partner was ungrounded. They always wanted their partner to take action, but they felt that person was always emotionally withdrawn, never really revealing their love for them. Even though I think outwardly they had a lot of respect for person A. They saw them as dynamic, as a go-getter, as a good person, but or maybe they were choosing between two people. There was a lot of restless energy. On one hand was this King of Cups, and on one hand was this King of Wands. And somebody chose now in the past that I'd rather have a new beginning with someone else. So Knight of Swords in reverse, Spirit. What happened in the recent past? Was there an argument? Was there a fight? Yeah, somebody's kind of made a decision, a very rash, seems rash to somebody else, but I think it's quite thought over after this. Somebody decided, I'm going to take back control of my life now. I'm going to do what is best for me and move ahead. And yes, I'm going to go for that second chance in life. I trust that my universe will help me with a new beginning here. Why? Because they were leaving something behind which was not very stable. So how does person B now feel about person A or this connection? Page of Swords in reverse and the Page of Wands in reverse. Both these cards symbolize that they find their person very immature. They find their person who's, very rash, very immature, maybe gossips or doesn't make good decisions in their life, is always in and out, never provides, is never around for the long term. And Page of Wands, Spirit. Page of Wands. Yes, I think person B is torn between two options now. One that they don't want to move towards and one that they want to now communicate with. They're trying to listen to their intuition, listen to their heart, and go towards maybe a new love which actually makes them feel happy. Choice between two options. Alright, so let's see any action that person A will take now. Three of Swords in reverse. So do they want to heal this with person B, Spirit? What's this Three of Swords in reverse? What's this Three of Swords in reverse as action? One more. Yes, person A wants to heal things with person B now. They are contemplating as to what they can do to make this harvest grow. This was the problem here, right? The person B was feeling nobody really invested, somebody didn't put in the time or effort to make this relationship grow. Now person A is now thinking of ways and means now to start, watering those bushes and start putting fertilizer, and they're wondering how to do it now so they can, heal this broken heart between the two of you. They are trying to manifest maybe, a coming back together or something that can work now to bring this connection back together. They are praying, wishing, manifesting. What are they manifesting, Spirit? What are they trying to manifest? What are they trying to manifest? Oh, they want their love back now, something that they've already lost. So, any action person B will take now towards person A? The High Priestess in reverse. Why is that an action, Spirit? Why is that an action? High Priestess in reverse. Person B feels, I already know enough truth now. Enough secrets are out, enough knowledge has been gained, and my heart is broken. My heart is totally broken in this connection. I'd rather go for a fresh, new, stable beginning for myself. So this is the same broken heart that person A is trying to now, repair. But as much as person B is looking for a new beginning, they feel, too much has been done, said, to be able to repair this broken heart now. So, any action towards person B then? Sorry, will person B take any action towards person A now? Will any action be taken, Spirit? No, they want to end this chapter, maybe begin a brand new one. Now, I don't know whether with the same person or somebody maybe brand new, but person B is shutting down an old repeating cycle in their life to start something brand new. Or at least that's what they want. Oh, let's take one more. What's this new chapter? They want to fight one more time for life. They feel battered and bruised. They fought many, many battles. This person is saying, I have my last wand in my hand. I really want to try one more time. I want to start one more, something new. But in this connection, they feel too much has been done or said, and my heart is broken now. So I'm not sure whether they're going to repeat a chapter once again with person A. Each one will you have, I can take out cards for that, but then there's so many of you out there, I don't know, because some of you may return back to this person for they'll try and manifest and try and bring back the love, and you may get, pulled in, or person B may just move on to a brand new love here for some people. Yes, somebody does want to work towards this connection. They don't like being left out in the cold. They want their empress back. But there is some justice coming with a death card, which could be either a total transformation and a re-beginning, or an end which will bring in justice. So this story can go two ways for different people. Okay, so that's all I have for you, Virgo. See you next time. Love and light. Take care. Namaste.